Valuing art. It's a total mystery to me. It is like throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. But commercial photography, it generates value and wealth for everyone else. So pricing it can be chemistry. It is a pinch of art, a dash of science, and an ounce of backbone. I'm Christian Santiago. I've spent 15 years in commercial photography overthinking every quote I've ever sent. Some have landed dream clients that have taken me around the world. Many have ended in crickets. I've been on the wrong side of every mistake you can make with a camera and a contract. The wins taught me what's possible. The losses taught me what to charge. In this course, you're getting both. Which brings us to licensing, that one pesky little thing that many of you are likely too scared to bring up in front of your clients because they might laugh you out of the room, or they might go to one of your competitors, and you're probably wondering, like, how much do I even charge? I don't know how to deal with it. It's too complicated. And what's the big deal? Like, don't my clients just own the images anyway? Can't they already do anything they want because they already paid me? Wrong, wrong, and wrong. In this course, you're going to learn more than you'll ever need to know about copyright, how to define it, what it does, and how it protects you. But that knowledge is useless if you don't know how to apply it. So the second thing we got to do is we got to shift, no pun intended, your mindset so you view yourself less as a photographer, as a technician, and more as a manager of intellectual assets, because that is essentially what you are doing when you are licensing images to your clients. You are putting your work to work within a broad spectrum of usage. And the gap for that usage is wide and influenced by more variables that I could cover in a single trailer. And every platform, medium, and strategy is priced by how many eyeballs your work ultimately reaches and influences. We're going to take all of that and apply it to the real world. We're going to learn how to discuss it with our clients, how to manage their expectations, how to handle their objections, and finally, how to price it. Because I know that is the biggest mystery for all of you. It's likely the biggest point of friction that keeps you from fully embracing this business model. But we are going to drain the mystery from it. You will learn exactly how usage drives the price. And once you see how much money is spent distributing your work and how much money everyone else is making from it, you will never be scared to charge your worth again. And you will understand that, hey, it's just business, and that standing on business is good for business. And don't worry, this course is not about convincing you that every local architect needs to pay 10 grand for licensing. It's about reading the nuance between clients who can get by with a basic bundle of usage and those who are actually distributing your work at scale, so you know when to keep things simple and when to drop the hammer. It is about believing that you are on equal footing with your clients. You are not a vendor. You are not a minion. You are a manager of intellectual property. We are going to define every usage category, and we're going to assign tangible value to it that we can scale. Then we are going to apply everything that we've learned by digging in through my actual archives of work that I did for real clients, learning how I priced everything, what intimidated me, where I was scared, where I failed, and where I triumphed, so that you can be prepared and confident for any licensing scenario that your clients throw your way. You're gonna run out of excuses, you're gonna stop being intimidated, and you will never again wonder, geez, how much money did I just leave on the table? And we'll be launching a private Facebook community. This will be a place where we can dissect client estimates, pour over hypotheticals, and help each other think through those weird situations with no obvious answers. Oh, and before I forget, as an exclusive bonus for this course, you will gain access to the licensing calculator that I built to turn all of this theory into actual numbers. Just plug in your variables and it spits out a defensible starting range of pricing that you can take directly to your next negotiation. It will even generate your day rate for you if you're not sure, and it will account for all of the licensing variables under the sun, from POS and digital ads, and even full-on buyouts. So you can stop pulling numbers out of thin air and start quoting with confidence.